If you are trading crypto futures every single day, you are leaving free money on the table. BYDFI just launched a massive event where you can earn up to $5,000 just for doing your daily grind. That's a 50% ROI on your deposit. Here is how it works. This isn't a one-time drop. It's an installment plan. The event runs until February 1st. If you deposit $10,000 and hit a daily volume of 300K, you get $5,000 in bonuses paid out over 4 weeks every Tuesday and Friday. It's basically a salary for trading. But beware of the golden handcuffs rule. If you withdraw any cash before the 4 weeks are up, your remaining bonus is deleted. You have to stay committed. Also, the bonuses cover 50% of your losses. It's a solid safety net but not a free pass. The top tier Step 3 is limited to the first 10 people only. If you have the capital and the volume, this is the best ROI in the market right now. Sign up link is in the description. Don't forget, trading volume from the bonus itself doesn't count, only your principal volume does. Any questions? DM me on Telegram Legend Club 123. Let's get that daily bread. Trading is risky. Do not overtrade just for bonuses.